Oh man, that was some great orgy stuff, you know. But it's kind of hard to kiss another girl while you're fucking another girl and another guy is trying to stick a dildo straight up your ass. I was like, ugh. And I started grabbing the couch. I was like, ah! Felt so good. My dick, that was. But my butthole was a little sore the next day. So I had to take some icy hot and rub it on my butt. So then it was all better. Now me kissing that girl, well, she happened to have herpes syphilis along with the other two people. So I kind of got the disease. So I had to go to the doctor, you know, tapped me on the knee, you know, did the little reflex test. I don't know why. I don't know if that's a thing for herpes syphilis or not. But I guess I have herpes syphilis now. Thank y'all for listening. Y'all can suck my balls. My balls. Down here. Down here. Just act like you're grabbing them, dude. Just suck my balls.